Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this mathematics period. Today we have chapter 12, area related to circle. Area related to circle means you have to learn many things in this chapter. Sector, segment, arc. But first you learn perimeter and area of circle. What is perimeter? Perimeter of a figure is the total length of measure of all the sides. But in case of circle, we have no straight lines. So this is perimeter. This perimeter is known as circumference. So perimeter of circle means circumference of circle. It has been verified the ratio of circumference and diameter of all the circles are constant. The ratio of circumference and diameter for any circle is always come a constant term. That is denoted by pi. So this pi is irrational number. बढ़ेंगे क्यों सर? Pi means 22 by 7, 9. This is not accurate value of 22 by 7. Pi is irrational number, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. And that is why pi is considered irrational number. The value of pi, what we take, 22 by 7 or 3.14. This is not accurate value. To calculate the question, to calculate the numericals, to solve the problems related to circle, we generally put the values, but that value is near about it, approximate value. Kareeb. This is not accurate. So one thing should be clear here. So that has been verified by Indian mathematician Aryabhat. He has calculated the ratio of circumference and diameter by drawing many circles. And it has been found the ratio of circumference and diameter is always same, constant. This constant is denoted by a mathematical symbol pi. And the value of pi is taken 22 by 7 or 3.14. But this values is not accurate value. So that is the near about values of pi. And from this property, if you cross multiply to C is equal to pi d. यही फॉर्मूला सर्कमफ्रेंस का निकल जाता है. तो सर्कमफ्रेंस और पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल pi d or d, you know, d is the double of radius. So in place of d, you can write 2r. So pi d or 2 pi r, formula for circumference. And area of circle, formula is pi r square. But you should understand what is the difference between perimeter and area. Area is the amount of region enclosed by any figure. That is called area. Area means the region, the amount of region how much region is enclosed by any figure or triangle or correctile or parallelogram or circle. So that amount is called area. And perimeter is the total length of all the sides. Suppose in a triangle, what is the perimeter? Perimeter of measure of all the sides. But here in the circle, we don't have a straight line, but total distance in one round, that is called circumference or perimeter. So these 2 points. Now you see question number 1. Exercise 12.A. Now you see radii of 2 circles. So suppose these 2 are circles, and you have to find the radius of this circle, whose circumference is equal to the sum of circumferences of these 2. So like R1, R2 are radii of 2 circles. So circumference, suppose this is R1 and this is R2 and this is capital R, suppose. And R is the radius of a circle. This can be called C1 is equal to 2 pi R1. C2, circumference for second circle, 2 pi R2. So circumference of third circle, capital C, suppose. C is equal to C1, C2. This is given. इसका बराबर 2 pi r, capital R, we have taken the radius. This is 2 pi r plus 2 pi r r1 plus 2 pi r2. So this is the one method. You have to calculate the circumference of these 2 circles and then equal to this. But this is a very easy technique. So R is equal to 2 pi R is equal to, you can take the pi comma 2 pi R1 plus R2. So capital R is equal to, this will be denominator, 2 pi R1 plus R2 upon 2 pi. This 2 pi will be cancelled. So R is equal to, radius of the circle is R1 plus R2. This is a very simple method. So 19 and plus 9, 28 here. This is the answer. This is the answer. Or if you find the value of circumference of one circle, circumference of other circle, and you find the sum, and then you put the value of 2 pi r is equal to this, so you will get your answer. But short and sweet, the better is the method which is short and you can use in the examination. So that is the answer. See question number 1. Question number 2, you see, the radii of 2 circles, वहाँ area दिया है. देखिए question number 2. Radii of 2 circles are 8 cm and 6 cm. Find radius of a circle whose area, ये circumference नहीं है, इसमें है area, is equal to the sum of areas. Sum of areas of 2 circles. अब इसमें देखिए बिल्कुल डिट्टो क्वेश्चन है, but here is area given And in the previous question, circumference. तो उसी तरह से R1 R2 R1 R2 radii of two circles, and R is the radius of the circle, which we have to find out. So area of circle pi r square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Very simple. Isn't it? So area of the circle is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So this is pi r square is equal to pi common under the r1 square 8 square, and this will be 6 square. So r square is equal to pi, this will be 64, this will be 36 upon pi. Pi cancel. R square is equal to 100, pi is equal to, very simple, r square is equal to 10 square, you cancel, r is equal to 10. This is the radius of the circle. So we have how many questions? We have 6 questions, 5 questions. So we will try to find 3, 4, and then we will come to you. So this is chapter area related to circle. Thank you and have a nice day.